to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the United States Air Force. From this gathering, the Heritage Flight was born. This is a unique visual presentation of the Air Force. This concludes today's demonstration. We hope you've enjoyed watching and taking pride in this rare display of nearly 60 years of air power heritage. In the past year alone, your United States Air Force flew over 35,000 air missions in support of operations in Iraq and Afghanistan. As proud members of an all-volunteer Air Force, we hope our performance has inspired you to serve your country alongside the professional men and women you see here in action today. On behalf of the United States Air Force, the Commander of Air Combat Command, General Mike Hostage, and all the men and women of Air Combat Command, thank you for your patriotism and support.
Ladies and gentlemen, a nice round of applause for the narrator for the Raptor Demonstration Team, Master Sergeant Bo Brewer, Cocoa Beach, Florida. Thanks, Brian. Thanks, Dave. The music you heard, by the way, as we recover these aircraft, this song you just heard was written by a member of the band known as Little Texas. About 16 years ago, Dwayne O'Brien from the Little Texas band came to us in an air...